Let's pack these gift bags for the Miss SVG pageant 2024. I am so excited to be sponsoring the Miss SVG pageant once more. I got these bags from Amazon. They came with gold tissue paper and gold ribbons. Yeah, aren't they cute? I love them. And I also got these labels from Don Digitals. I am so happy that he came through last minute with them. The bags are really thick, they are good quality, they feel really nice, and I am just loving the overall aesthetic of them and how the labels look on them. Aren't they cute, y'all? We at Women's Haven believe that every woman should experience comfort on their periods. We are 100% committed to doing that. Hence our sponsorship for the Miss SVG Pageant 2024. Each lady will receive organic pads, liners, wipes, and other organic care products to keep them clean and comfortable on their period. I am really loving the way how these gift bags turned out. I am just loving the whole vibe, the whole gold and white, and just the overall aesthetic of them. Very classy. I love the way the tissue paper looks with them and the ribbon. As y'all can see, I was struggling to tie that ribbon because y'all, I'm not good at tying into bows, but it was a struggle and I think it turned out cute. But some of them were not obeying me, but yes, the gold is really cute on them, and I must say I love it. I think I did a really good job, packing these. Although I was getting frustrated, I am really loving them. They turned out so cute, and yeah, I love them. So, tell me, what do you guys think down in the comment section below? And please, who is your pick for the Miss SVG pageant 2024? Let us start down in the comment section below because I want to hear who you guys are backing. Y'all see that ribbon didn't want to obey me? It keep twisting and twisting. So tell me, who's your pick for the Miss SVG pageant 2024?